Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you this little beauty room, just a short little video. This is where I film at. I just thought I'd show you how I organize everything and stuff like that. If you like this video, please make sure to leave me some love down below. Like, comment, subscribe below. And yeah, if you like this top, it says Los Angeles. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I got it from Forever 21. If you want to check out a video where I got lots of stuff from there and other stores, you can check it out. I'll leave a tag up here. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so first we have this little wall right here. I did this a long time ago, but I decided I won't take it down because it kind of goes with the theme of my room still. Just a bunch of old Tumblr pictures. Then we're moving on to my closet. I have some bags hanging here. And then I have all of my robes and my coats in here. Some blankets, some storage down here, swimsuits, bras, stuff like that. I have some extra decorations back here from Christmas. Then I have my closet area, kind of, with all my slippers below. Most of my clothes are at my apartment at school, but I have my most favorite ones here. Then we have Do What Makes You Happy. Also did this a long time ago. I decided to keep it up because I still live by that motto. Also got this cute little lipstick picture for my makeup room, $10 at TJ Maxx. This Louis Vuitton bag I had hung up a long time ago because my dad got me one. Then I have this little collage of pictures from family and friends. I love y'all. Have this nice little lamp over here because I love stuff like this. It makes it look so glamorous. Home is where the dog is. That's me. Like, I love my dog. Also have these cute little jar lights that I got for $10 at Home Goods. S because my name is Samantha. Thought this was cute. And Home Sweet Home. I got this at Target for $3. It was a super good deal. Then I have some jewelry hanging up here. Again, a lot of my jewelry is at my apartment, but I still have some here. Then I got some lotion, some samples in this bag right here. Eyelashes and beauty blenders, hats, perfume over here, my laundry hamper, a little chair, which that pillow my friend made me. I also plan on getting a shoe rack, but for right now, there's some of my shoes that I brought home from the apartment. Just a lot of boots, basically. Yes, I still have my Christmas tree up. Do not judge me. Then I have this cute little dresser. I love it. Pink and gray. So cute. Have this vase that my dad got me. Some more jewelry in this box. This cute little ring holder that is a shoe. I have some hand sanitizers, little lotions, bandanas, makeup bags, stuff like that hanging here. And just some cute wall decor. Chanel, Miley Cyrus, New York, London, Paris. And this is also where I film my videos, guys. Got some scarves. This is not all of my scarves, but just some. I have some umbrella lights. I do film at my actual vanity. I love this little seat. I got it for $50 at Home Goods. Got these little $3 cups from Target to hold my makeup brushes, face brushes, eye brushes. I have this to hold all of my hair, nails, and face makeup. That's what the labels are, so that's what I go by. This cute little mirror right here that I think my coworker got from Amazon. I have all my lip products. Here is where I keep all my palettes. I don't know if you can see that. And then here is where I keep my eye makeup stuff. This is just a little trash can, and this is my makeup bag that I use to go back and forth. I will leave a link down below where I got these umbrella lights. They're super good. And also where I got this tripod. This is to hold my iPad though, because that is what I film on. And that is it, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like how I have it set up. If you liked it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe below, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!